Okay, everyone. So this is the submission guidelines for CS Circle. So whenever I assign you CS Circle assignments, I will be posting a PDF like this. It should be in your module soon. So here are the first assignment modules that you'll need to complete. So we have 6 modules, and do not follow the serial numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but follow the numbers here 0, 1, 1E, 3, 4, and 5. So I'll show you the working of this as well. So I think I have already included the link, and I've asked you to make accounts in them, like create accounts in the CS circles and make me as your guru. My handle is Rachakonda L. That is my last name with followed by the first letter of my first name, L. Okay, so once if you just type for CS circles, so this is the website. It should be with Waterloo, CS Circles, University of Waterloo. Here you're going to create an account, right? So let's say once you have signed in or logged in, this is your first module, like 0, hello. And here you're going to read all the syntax, all the written part of it. You'll read the entire module and then work with the examples. So here is a basic statement with print statement. So you're basically printing hello world. If you run the program, the output is hello world. And in each and every modules like this, you will see some examples like this one as well. So it says program crash because hello is not defined. So that is because hello is considered as a variable that is predefined in the example. So now how can we fix this? That is by having single quotes or double quotes and make that as a string, right? We already know the concept. So you will read the entire module, understand the concepts much better. And then there are some exercises for you to do. So you should see something like this, which doesn't have anything. And so let's say the first program is to write a statement that will print that data. So now let's say I have taken the data, pasted it inside my arguments without any quotes or anything, and then I'm running the program. So it says did not pass test. That is because invalid syntax, because I did not include this as an argument. So when you are working on a problem, if you see this, that means this problem is not done yet. So you should see the complete green box once you have solved the problem. So now it should work, right? Because we fixed all the errors. So this is the final problem. So I mean, this exercise is done. You should see a check mark after each exercise is done. So when the module 1 here, hello only has one problem, so one exercise. Next you have is 1E, sorry, 1 and 1E. So here you are basically writing some programs, running them. You will see the execution as well. So it is very easy to understand. The visualization is on point. So it will make things much easier for you. So please go through and everything. So here, let's answer this question. What is the value of x after these commands execute? It is 10. X plus x is 20. So now is 20. X minus 5 is 15. So your answer should be 15. Check answer. So this is right. Right. So once you have completed all the problems in your modules, you do not have to share this one. You can just go to my progress tab and it will ask, like, as I did not log in yet. So this is my progress tab. Notice the window or the bar on top of this page is fixed. So all you have to do is submit this screenshot. So if you just want to do it, Control P and then save it as a PDF and then submit that. Or if you want to take the snipping tool, take a snip of this. You can do either, you can anything. All I want to see is the username menu. So I will be checking your name. If your name doesn't match, like basically the TA will be checking, but if the name doesn't match, you will be getting a 0. Even if you have all the answers right, if the name doesn't match or if the name is not visible, you'll be getting a 0. So even after we have reached, let's say some later part of the assignments or the modules, the name should be still seen. So make sure that you get the name and the modules here. So one advantage of you having me as your guru is, let's say you are working on certain modules and you need help. See this one, if you click help, it will basically, you can type the message and then send this message. So when you send this message, make sure you set me as your guru, Rachakonda L, and I will be getting an email that you have asked me a question based upon CS Circle. That will be really helpful when you and I are both trying to solve a certain issue. So that is the reason I have asked you to make me as your guru. So please do that. It is very helpful once we go through the other modules as well. Okay. So for now, the progress page is all I want to see. Like for any CS Circle assignment, all I want to see is the progress page. So go scroll down, take a screenshot of this one with respect to all the modules. All the check marks are what we are going to consider. So let's say 2x, I have only completed 3 problems out of 5 problems. You will be assigned or you will be awarded for the 3 problems only. The last 2 problems, you will not be awarded anything. Like there'll be a point deduction. So that's what I mean. Okay. So make sure you get this right. And then once you have the JPEG or the PNG or the PDF output, like the screenshot, you can just submit that in the Canvas. Okay. Please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, you're good to start.